art store. Looks to me like someone has changed his allegiance. I knew this day would come. Seize him!
What the?
What you traitor!
Fish Legs is in on it too! Don't!
Okay, everybody, stop jumping on everybody. How could you even think that? Hiccup, a dragon hunter? Just the idea that he would even have anything to do with them. Huh. Actually, Fish Legs, let's not go quite that far.
You let the dragon hunters capture the Skrill?
That wasn't the plan. They were supposed to take it down, and then we would swoop in and grab it away. But they got to it first. So Dagger has the Skrill again? Great! Now he's just gonna chain that thing up like a puppet and take him on a greatest hits attack run of the archipelago! I agree, Dad. I'm very disappointed in Hiccup, too. They had some sort of new net-shooting catapult.
Net shooting catapult. You know, no one ever plans for the intangibles.
But Hiccup, it's just...
Confusing. I know that I, for one, am confused.
Yet intrigued.
Ah, yes. Moral ambiguity. Something else you could never see coming. Yep, catapult nets and moral ambiguity.
Look, there's really no moral ambiguity here. I messed up. I really messed up. And I'm not sure how to fix it.
Oh! Oh, what now? We've just never heard you say that before.
You always know how to fix it.
Yeah, well, guess what? I'm not perfect.
No? What? Whose painting am I going to have above my bed?
First of all, ew. Second, everything you did to protect that dragon and to protect all of us. Now the question isn't how you fix it. It's how we all fix it. As a team.
My dad says we're letting you off too easy. But we're still in.
Now, we just have to figure out a way to find the hunter.